So for drawings that you want to make with circulation, let's take the set object display mode. I'm going to put them at ghosted. Maybe even this one can go to Arctic. I took this object, which doesn't have anything at this moment. So I'm gonna do extract wireframe. I'm going to group it. Make sure it's in a different layer. And make sure you're in a different layer when you do it. I'm going to change this and do pipe. There's my pipe. And group it. Set object display mode. Change it to ghosted because I know that it has that color based on the layer that I gave it. And then I'm going to mirror it. Let's mirror it. So I could either keep that or delete. I could keep the wireframe or also delete the wireframe or hide it. So I'm going to hold down Shift Control, choose my surface, and hold down Control. When you hold down Control, you can move the gumball wherever you want. So in this case, I'm going to put it here. I'm going to also, while holding down Control, without Shift, you can rotate it, so then that way when I extrude with this little point, I can extrude it to the direction that I want. Going to do it again. And then I'm going to rotate it even more drastically. Make sure that you have it disabled. You have your snap-on disabled. It'll help in doing all of those things. So that's how you can kind of continue modeling in different ways without having to stop what you're doing and put in more commands. Very quick modeling technique. I'm going to set object display mode here and put it in Arctic as well. Not extract, maybe extract wireframe actually. You can do dupe edges or you can do extract wireframe. You can do whatever you like. And create your passageways, make sure that everything connects. So I'm missing a connection right here for circulation or even right here. So I could very quickly hold down Shift Control and extrude something here. Set object display mode really quick to the same. I'm going to match properties. So it's the same layer and I have my connection to the rest of my circulation. And then I'm going to go back to my monochrome so that way it's a lot nicer. And I could even change the color to something better. Not so stark, maybe. There. It's very pastel. Anyway, keep building up your objects, mirror, copy, and make sure that you don't have a flat bottom. And you can then create a clipping plane. I set up the custom viewport to have a clipping plane that is that color. It could be black, obviously, but I wanted to show something that was very stark and contrasting for this video. And I'm going to hold down Option, create a new viewport, a new clipping plane. Now I have kind of a crisscrossing clipping plane. And I have my cut object. If this is what I want to keep, obviously. You can slice this up and then keep some of these elements protruding for representation, and that's okay as well.